Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making sure your device meets requirements and you have installed the app lock utility or located the built-in locker. Once done, open the locker and grant accessibility and notification access so it can monitor app launches. This is the one-time permission that enables reliable locking. Next, choose your unlocking method, PIN, pattern, or biometric, and set a recovery option like email or security question. Make sure to test the lock on one non-critical app immediately. Now you fine-tune behavior for real-world use. You should add the apps you want secured and order them by priority. Once added, set auto-lock timing, immediate versus delayed, depending on friction you accept. Make sure to exclude necessary background services so the lock doesn't break essential app functions. Enable stealth features like disguised icon or silent lock notifications if you need privacy. Finally, hide sensitive notification content so previews never reveal locked data when the device is idle. Finish by validating the lock across scenarios. Reboot the device, switch networks, and open each locked app to confirm the chosen unlock method works. Back up your locker configuration or note the recovery method so you won't be locked out permanently. Keep the app updated to avoid compatibility issues. If something goes wrong, first reboot and then re-grant accessibility and notification permissions. If problems persist, reinstall the locker or switch to a different app and restore your configuration from backup.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.